Wow, thank you so much. Fantastic. All right, so the box of mystery, okay, is going to change your reality. We'll come back to it at the end of the show, and I'll keep it here in full view all the time, all right? So Raipur, let's have some fun. Whoa, all right, that's the energy I like. Okay, guys, let's not waste time. Let's start. Everybody go like this. Like everyone, sabka haath aage, aise. Come on, everyone, everybody. Haath aage, everyone haath aage. Right? Okay.
Manish.
Good. Just follow me well, okay? Okay, okay. Now it's gonna get different this time. Watch, okay? Now, turn your hands upside down, like so. Now take your left, right knee left, okay? And put it over the right. I'm just making sure everybody's doing. Somebody's like, andhera kaayam rahe. Nahi. This way. Now hold it, grab it tight. Grab tight, okay? Good. Nahi sir, thumbs down. Everybody now, thumbs down. Like thumbs niche. Anguta dono sabka niche, alright? Thumbs down, like this. Now with me on the count of 3, sir. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Like this. Yes. I gotta hear this. Wow, fantastic. Thank you. All right, that was a little warm up. Hi, ghar pe ab. Bas, ho gaya. Baki try ghar pe. All right. So guys, I know that they've been telling you, Abhishek Acharya, the mind reader is going to read your mind, I don't know, blah, 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 blah. Can your minds be read? Aisa ho sakta hai kya? Can somebody actually read your mind? Absolutely not. Bilkul bhi nahi ho sakta. I am with you, don't worry. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use psychological techniques and a few other things, combine them together, all right? And give you an illusion of mind reading, okay? So let's do this. You want to try? Abhi to bataya bhi nahi kya karne walo hai. Come on. I want everybody, all right, all of you to go ahead and think of your first crush, bachpan mein, school mein, teacher pe, I don't know, jis pe bhi. To mera teacher hai, to mere se bhul diya. Whoever it was, I want you to go ahead and think about them right now. In your head, muh se kuch nahi batana, just do not say it out loud. All of you think of a person. Why are you talking on phone, lady? It's a show going on. Come here. Punishment. Come here. Quickly. Punishment. Aise hi hota hai. What is your name, madam? Mohini, please. Give her a big round of applause, guys. Come on. Fantastic. Phone band kar lo, but you'll have to come here. All right. Hi, Mohini.
Hi.
So what do you do, Mohini?
I'm just watching your show.
Right, good, fantastic. And I need somebody else as well. I need a few more people, actually. No, wait, guys, wait. Think of this person right now, just in your head. Okay? Close your eyes and think of this person. And I'll try to find out who the person is. It's okay, I'll try and find some people, okay? Close your eyes. Think of this person in your head right now. Guys, let me show you what I have. The first thing that I can tell you is it's a male, correct?
Yes.
Yes, thank you. You see? Arey, aajkal kuch pata nahi chalta yaar. I know. All right, Mohini, so I think I'm going to be close with this. I think I might just be a little close. Am I correct? Something like this. Something. Yeah, I know. Something like this. But now, I want you to imagine this person in me right now, okay? Just look at me for a second. I might just be horribly wrong. Just give me yes or no. Can you guys read this? Yes or no? Yes. It's a name, right? Yes. In the mic, Mohini, for the very first time, can you tell everyone the name of the person you're thinking of?
He's Nishchal.
Thank you so much. Give her a big round of applause.
Thank you.
Thank you. Please take your seat, Mohini. Thank you so much. Thank you. Wow, it's good. It's fun. Did you like it? Thank you. Good night. All right. I'm not going away, guys. I'm going to have some fun. I'll give you some fun. I'm trying to, find some people who are actually in sync with me. Because in that... Thank you. Applause nahi aa raha. Raipur kya ho gaya hai? Neend aa rahi hai kya humko? Apne log hain yaar. Come on. So Neil, this goes for you. Please stand there. And sir, I'll give you a mic also. That's for you, sir. Thank you. Sir, would you mind coming here? Perfect. Meeral, you like reading? Yeah. You like reading, okay. Sir, do you like reading? You know, मुझको पता है सर कोई नहीं. सर के पास बहुत पैसा है, I can tell you. Straight away, guys. Sir, I want you to think of something personal, okay? Like personal. अब मैं boyfriend girlfriend की बात तो कर भी नहीं सकता. So let's do this, sir. Is it okay if I read your mind? या फिर मैं आपका वो बता दूँ बैंक बैलेंस या पिन कोड? Let's try it with your pin code, okay? I'm not sure. कुछ भी perfect. He's very generous, यार. Thank you. सर यहाँ पे आइए please. बीच में. ATM जाते नहीं जाते, I don't know. So we all use transactions. We all have ATM pins, right? We all have passwords, all kind of Gmail passwords, Angel Priya, पता नहीं क्या account password आजकल चल रहे हैं. But sir, I want you to think of आप in your head, मतलब बताना नहीं सर बिल्कुल भी आपको. Just imagine कि आप ATM पे खड़े हैं. Just imagine in your head, सोच रही. और आप पैसे निकाल रहे हैं. And the machine is asking for the pin. आपको pin डालना है. बताना नहीं सर आपको. In your head, I'll try to extract आपका pin जो भी है. ठीक है? Ready, sir? आंखें बंद. Thank you. दो ATM pins use करते हैं सर आप? ये एक. I think कि आपके पास दो ATM cards हैं, right? दोनों pin निकाल दूँ आज? All right, guys, let's see. Can you guys see this? Yes or no? Okay. Oh, वहाँ देखो. Okay. पहले 4 नंबर लिखे हैं सर यहाँ पे. And I think जब आप ATM जाते हैं ट्रांजैक्शन करते हैं ये पिन आप यूज करते हैं. That's what I'm getting from it.
कोई दूसरी बात करो यार.
अरे नहीं सर ये वाली ठीक है. Yes.
कोई निकाल लिया तो.
कोई नहीं निकाल रहा, मैं जान से मार दूंगा.
This number is absolutely right.
Thank you so much. Yes. Don't go. और भी कोई है आपके पास? Can we try one more? Okay, आज तो सारे पैसे लेके ही जाएंगे. Think of it, sir. Another one. दूसरा पिन, guys. You guys see this? Yes or no? क्या angle? Put आपका.
Double two double eight.
Double two double eight. Come on, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming. So thank you so much. Give him the biggest round of applause you can as he goes back. Thank you so much. Thank you.
मेरे को पिन चेंज करना पड़ेगा.
बिल्कुल करना पड़ेगा. Thank you so much. Applause बंद नहीं होनी चाहिए, guys. Come on. You deserve this one. Thank you. Meeral, did you enjoy it? It's fun?
Yes, it
Is it? Okay, let's try this then. Meeral, you're wearing specs, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you know about energy?
A little bit.
Little bit, okay. What do you know about energy? Cannot be created, cannot be destroyed, all that kind of shit, right?
It's all around us.
Yeah, I know.
It's coming from you.
I know. It's coming from you, right? No energy, guys. This is not called energy, guys. Sorry, that's not energy. I'm telling you. चश्मा निकालो जरा. चश्मे का पावर क्या आपका?
2.5.
2.5. Come here, Neil. Sit. पीछे रख लो एक बार. Okay. So keep it here, Neil. And what you see is your specs, obviously. I hope you guys can see it there, right? Yeah, थोड़ा मुश्किल है, I know. Middle, here's the thing. I want you to go ahead and just put your hands like so. And listen, Raipur. What is going to happen is, I'll say 1, I will say 2, और हम लोग साथ में मिलके बोलेंगे 3, okay? Can we do it? Raipur, can we do it? Okay, so 1, 2, 3. नहीं मैंने बोला साथ में बोलेंगे. Come on, we need some energy, right? Let's do this again. 1, 2, 3. Come on, guys, we can do better. Final time. Can we do this? No, it's okay. Come on, touch it here. It's like 1, 2, 3. 1, this happen. Thank you, Neerav. Thank you very much. Thank you. Wow. Thank you, Bhagre. Sure. Actually, it's okay. Give her a big round of applause, guys. Thank you. Brilliant. Let's try something else. Who wants to participate? Yeah, that guy. Come on, what is your name? नहीं पीछे वाले को यार अरे तुम भी आ जाओ भाई रुको होल्ड ऑन गाइस एक आदमी चार नहीं एक जस्ट वन जो पहले आ गया कम मारो ओए होए भाई लौंडे कड़क हैं व्हाट्स योर नेम सर समीर हाय माय नेम इज अभिषेक समीर एंड यू लाइक रीडिंग समीर किताब कॉपी कुछ ऐसे पढ़ाई लिखाई
आई एम एन इंजीनियर
आई एम आल्सो एन इंजीनियर गाइस देख लो पसीना बहाना पड़ता है ऐसे So what did you study? Engineering.
Sorry?
क्या पढ़ा आपने इंजीनियरिंग में?
I am an IT engineer.
I am a computer science engineer. आप होंगे बेटा सवाल।
IT engineer में मैंने IT को छोड़ के सब कुछ पढ़ा है।
Electrical पढ़ा है?
Electrical?
हाँ? IT को छोड़ के पढ़ा है किरचॉफ्स लॉ बताओ मेरे को आज। किरचॉफ्स लॉ क्या है?
Current यहाँ
बस छोड़ समझ गया। किताबें पढ़ी है नहीं I don't know but this is a very good novel. I don't know it's good or not but because I was reading it थोड़े दिन पहले I could not complete it but I want you to help me with something ठीक है भाई? नाम भूल गया आपका?
समीर।
See I'm a mind reader मैं नाम भी भूल जाता हूँ लोगों का। Sameer, here's the thing. Take the book and open it to any page that you want like anywhere. नहीं it's okay you don't have to look. कोई भी go to any page you want. कितने pages total इसमें? I don't know 300 के आसपास है ठीक है? Open the page कहीं पे भी. It's all different right? मतलब obviously. Go ahead and read out a small, छोटा सा एक word कोई पढ़ लेना आपके दिमाग में पढ़ो happy एक छोटा word read out a very small word in your head you have something close the book it's a big word right keep the book there good now hold this stand right there so it's like one word in your head right now one word out of I don't know how many million words you are thinking of one word stand here Sameer यहाँ पे आओ close your eyes this guy is difficult I'm telling you open your eyes what is the first letter
W
अरे भैया बताना नहीं सोचना है it's a mind reading show बताना नहीं तू इसको रख नीचे just think of the first letter in your head अब क्या think करेगा चल छोड़ think of something in the middle in your head मुंह से नहीं बोलना Sameer don't say anything out loud okay No, don't say anything, please. Don't say anything out loud. Can you read this? Yes or no? Okay. भाई समीर ऐसा है ना कि this time I'm wrong, guys. It's not my fault. It's his. ये तो समझ गए आप. In case I go wrong, it's not my fault completely. Sameer, for the very first time, mic निकालो. आप बोल देना. What was the word you were thinking of?
weightlifter
Good. Good. Thank you.
sir this is energy
This is energy भैया ज़्यादा energy मत दिया करो यार गलत बात है भाई Give him a big round of applause guys thank you oh thank you so much thank you
should I go
yes please go please take a seat enjoy wow that was good that was really nice यार I'm drained Jiflif भूल मत जाना अभिषेक आचार्य at Jiflif oh है कोई नहीं let's do something else alright guys Who wants to participate? Quick. I like it. यार लाइट जला के बंदे ने भैया attention लिया है मेरा. Come up. What is your name, sir? Okay, Pranay, give me a mic, please. Mani. Okay, thank you. ऐसे भी छुट्टी कर दी मैंने. Sorry. प्रणय, जिंदगी से प्यार है? बहुत. हमको भी बहुत प्यार है. आज आपकी जिंदगी पे खेलेंगे, ठीक है? मेरे पास है मेरे भाई. ये क्या है? It's a wooden block, guys. It's nothing much. It's a wooden block. ऐसा है, वैसा है, पता नहीं कैसा है. It's just a block. I'll keep it here. I have another block, almost the same. It's the same actually. It's not almost the same. And the fourth one is a little different. You see, there's a hole built into it. प्रणय, there's a hole. ठीक है भाई? Also what I have is a nail. It's a nail, Pranay, okay? तो अगर मैं आपको चुभाऊंगा, तो you can feel the pain, right? Yes, sir? Obviously you can. Okay. Now here's the game, Pranay. मैं रखूंगा इसको यहाँ पे, and I will fix it like so. So this hurts. Please come here. तो प्रणय मेरे भाई, this hurts, right? Yes? चोट लगती है, दर्द होता है? बहुत सर। बहुत सर। छोड़ दो यार, फिर खून मत निकाल लो। ठीक है प्रणय। Now the game is very simple, Pranay. It's very very simple actually. Very simple means very very simple. I'll tell you why. मैं करूँगा इसको cover ऐसे. ये cover हो गया. ये cover हो गया. Yes sir. ये cover हो गया. ये cover हो गया. ये cover हो गया. Cover. Useless. Pranay, I want you to go ahead and mix it like so. ऐसे. कोई भी किधर भी. कोई भी किधर भी. ऐसे गिराना मत. Obviously. And then you mix it, okay? मैं घूम जाऊँगा. I won't look. Right? Please mix. Hi, honey. How are you? Bad joke. Sorry. Are you done? Pranay, हो गया?
Yes sir.
आ जाऊँ?
Yes.
ठीक है. Okay. आपको पता है प्रणय कहाँ पे है? मतलब do you know कहाँ पर रखा है? भूल गया.
Maybe.
Maybe? घूम जाओ. Now I will mix it. No. It's my turn. अब तुम भी घूम जाओ यार. It's a game between me and you. So I will do this. I will do this from here, from here, from here, from here, from here. Guys, do you know where it is? By the way, you guys know obviously. So if you know, it's fun. Don't worry. Pranay, आ जाओ. Do you know? आपको पता है कहाँ पर है? नहीं बताना? या मेरे को भी नहीं पता चाहिए. So neither he knows nor I know. All right. Now the game is Pranay कि मैं ऐसे करूँगा एक बार और मैं करूँगा boom. भगवान का नाम लेके obviously. नहीं तो क्या होगा पता ही आपको. I'll tell you that true story. So I was in Sydney a couple of years ago, and I was watching my friend. He was doing the same thing. I was in the front row like you. I thought distance come tha, and I was like, okay. And this guy is like blindfolded, आँख बंद करके, he's like, okay, I'm gonna do it. And he does this the first time, boom, and my shirt becomes red. And I'm like, ha 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 ha, and I was like, I could not stop my. You know, it does happen. दर्द होता है लेकिन लोगों को मजा आता है. लोगों को खून देखने में मजा आता है. तुमको क्या बताऊं मैं अब. Ready? Ready? So एक बार मैं करूंगा. If I'm lucky, बच जाऊंगा. फिर आप करेंगे. If you're lucky, तो क्या अकेली जान थोड़ी दे दूं यार. भाई. एक मैं, एक आप, फिर एक मैं, और फिर भी बच गया तो आखिरी वाले में आपको करना ही करना है. यार गेम तो गेम है भाई. Ready? Okay, no. Let me try it. Okay, but just tell me, what do you think? कौन सा होना चाहिए? Which one shall I go for? Just tell me. Look at me. Which one? 1, 2, 3, 4. Third one. One. Ready, guys? Let's do this. I have a strong feeling that this. Thank you. Okay, good. Yeah. Good decision made. 3 to go. आ जाओ. नहीं, कोई बात नहीं यार. Which one, Pranay? Which one do you think it is? Just tell me. That one? This one. Let me try this one. That one put कर ले. That one. But you said that one. All right, I'm safe. Thank you. Wow. Good, भाई. पर यार अब आखिरी वाला तो आप आओगे. चलो. This is for him. Which one, Pranay? Which one? Okay. Hold out your hands, sir. दूर कर लो इसको. Ready? Which one? Give him a big round of applause, guys. मेरे तो पसीने आ गए भाई. Good job यार. Good decision made. Very good. Thank me later. खून नहीं आया भाई, thank you. What is this by the way? हाँ, नहीं thank you, yeah. Birthmark? He's going to get rich in 2 years. शादी हो गई? Ladies, यही मौका है. Take your seat, thank you. What do you want to come for? Come here. Hey, come. Come. What is your name, sir?
Arpit Agrawal.
Why did you come, sir?
I just wanted to read my mind.
You wanted to read my mind? Oh, you want me to... Shit, man. Garvad ho gayi. You want me to read your mind, right? But I want you to read something else. Is that okay? In the mic. So he wants me to read his mind, but I want him to read something else. Okay? Arpit, right? Arpit एक phenomena है. I'm sure आपके साथ कई बार हुआ होगा. होता क्या है ना कि sometimes the phone rings and you think यार ये इसका phone होगा, and you pick it up and that's the same person. ऐसा हुआ है कभी? That's called caller ID. कोई तुम्हारे में ताकत नहीं है भाई. That's caller ID. Come on, guys. But basically, yes, there are some sort of intuitions that actually come across very nicely, and that is called deja vu. That's what I think it is, right, sir? Deja vu. So you already know. You see something and you think, "अरे यार ये तो कल हुआ, यार मेरे सपने में हुआ था." So you think that it's already happened to you. That happens a lot. That's called deja vu. There's another term that's called javé vu. Javé vu में क्या होता है ना? You see things and you tend to forget. फिर को लगता है यार ये तो मेरे को पता ही नहीं है. This is the first time I'm seeing it. जबकि in reality you already know that thing very well. हाँ अच्छे zoom कर लो भाई इसका थोड़ा सा कुछ होने वाला है इसके साथ में. Smile please. Happy to be here. Good. So what happens is things happen and you think yaar this has already happened to me. That's called javé vu. That's called deja vu. Sorry. Javé vu is when you see someone like this guy. हम मिले क्या पहले? नहीं ना? आपको जावे vu हो गया मिले थे. So you see things that you know, but you think, yeah, I don't know this thing. I don't want to confuse you much. Let me show you. Okay? And let me show you something like that. I have a few things on me. Guys, this is going to be very, very interesting, okay? Arpit. I'll keep it here for a second. Sit. Look at your hand. Look. And I'm going to bring it near your eyes. And I want you to go ahead and just relax and close your eyes. Just close your eyes. Relax, it's nothing. There's no hypnosis, there's nothing. Just trying to relax, okay? Like sinking, drifting, floating, and relaxing, okay? Open your eyes a bit. Hold the mic. It's nothing, all good, all normal, obviously. All right. Just tell me, Arpit, can you read this word?
Mutton tunka.
Okay. Mutton tunka. Stay there. Do you guys know this word, yes or no? Zoom nahi hai, say, दूर से, कोई बात नहीं. You guys know this word, right? I don't want to show it to you. You guys know this word? Okay. Do you know this word? It's not an English word, is it? Is it? Do you know this word? Try to read it. Come. Try.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Mutton tunak kya?
Tunanka.
Mutton tunanka.
Yeah.
Is that? Do you guys know this word? Okay. Good. कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है. It's okay. Do you guys know this word? Give me a yes or no. Can that camera follow? This camera can follow. Can you see this? Okay. Not for you, sir. Zoom in nahi karna bhai. Do you guys know this word? Yes or no? Okay. Sir, do you know this word? In the mic, come on.
Yeah.
What is this? Try to read it, yeah. Try karo, it's okay.
Addatacton.
Kya?
Addatacton.
कौन सा tacton?
Yeah, it should be education written.
No, what is it? I just want to know. What is it written right now?
It is written Addatacton.
Addatacton, okay.
Yeah, I never heard about it.
It's okay, don't worry. You have never heard of it, right? But you guys know this thing, right? That is okay. Arpit, तुम्हारी गलती भी नहीं है भाई. तुम्हारी गलती तुम कूद के आए. कोई बात नहीं. It's okay, I'm just kidding, man. What is this? It's not English.
Size.
नहीं यार, क्या? ठीक से पढ़ो. See?
I think you're messing up with me.
I'm not messing with you. I want you to try. Just try. Just give it a shot. It's not your fault. I'm telling you. It's all fun.
Concisely.
Okay. Is that a word you know? Okay, good. That is okay, bhai. Aakhiri word de raha hu. Do you know this word? Try. Just give it a shot. Try. Applesauce. Okay. Okay. What is it? Okay, that's okay. All right. No. It's not your fault. I'm telling you, brother. Or chalo. Close your eyes. It's okay, alright, it's okay. I'm just kidding, okay guys, it's okay. Alright, just relax. Sinking, drifting and floating. Open your eyes. Do you know this word?
Yeah, maintenance.
Maintenance, he knows it. Give it up. Yes, he does. Good, it's okay, it's fine, you're doing very well. What is the word?
Education.
Is that education, guys? You know it? He knows it too, come on! Conscience, what is it?
Yeah, conscience.
Conscience, good, fantastic.
Applause.
Applause, bhaiya, applause. Give it up, show some love. Arpit, thank you very much for participating. It went very well, thank you so much. Yeah. Take care, thank you. Give him a big round of applause as he goes down. Thank you. Wow. Do you want to see some more, guys? Acha, ab to jaake maza aaya logon ko. Let's try something really interesting. I am going to need a few people, like three, 4 people. ये दौड़ के मत आओ यार, ऐसे तो मतलब भगदड़ हो जाएगी ना stampede. Who wants to come? You want to come? No, you've been there. No. 1, 2, 3. Yes, please come up. Yes, please come up. Bhai. Ben. आजा छोटी जल्दी आ. Come on, give them, yeah. आगे में. Jack लगवा रहे हो तुम, गलत बात है. Please come. What is your name? Samarveer, hi, my name is Abhishek. Please stand right there. Paridi, please stand here. Abhishek. Sorry? Ave, idhar, hath aise, idhar, hath ave. Okay, Ave, please stand here. Shalini, hi, Abhishek. Please stand here. And sir? सौभाग्य, मेरे बहुत बहुत सौभाग्य हुए सर आपसे मिलके. धन्यवाद, आइए. सौभाग्य, you stand right here. All right. So guys, it's very simple. Simple क्या है? You have to think of a number, just a number. Think of a random number between 1 and 1,000. No. Think of a 4-digit number in your head. बताना मत. You think of a 4-digit number. आँख खोल के. It's okay. 4-digit number. Right? Change it to something else. A different 4-digit number. Change it to a different number. 4 digits. Any 4 digits. Change it now. Change it. Good? Okay. Here's the thing. कहाँ गया? Let me go to my calculator, guys. Right? Let me use my calculator. Put in your number. Yeah, 4 digits. Hit the plus sign. Plus, madam, put in your digits. Aram se, okay. Hit the plus sign. Plus, put in your number. Don't watch, no, it's a secret. Hit equals to. No, hit equals to. And what's the number? Sorry?
117119.
So guys, this is 117119, I guess. Can you see this? It's a random number. मैंने तो ऐसा मतलब it's like just random. It came to your head. Correct. Sir, the number is? Alright, good. Don't be over smart. Okay? No, it's not for you. 117119. Guys, you know, आपको पता है ना, मैंने बताया था कि we have had a lot of fun. कहाँ पे? ये जिफ लिफ्ट भैया कहाँ चले गए तुम? Give me a second, okay, guys? जिफ लिफ्ट. I know. अरे सबको बताने दो ना यार, ऐसे कैसे? So I was telling you, okay, this is GIF lift, and the number that we ended up on is 117119. Just take a look, guys. Whoa! Yes, thank you. Great job. Yes, sir. 117. Give them a huge, thunderous round of applause, guys. Come on. Thank you. Please take a seat. Thank you. Lovely. Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you. I will need 3 people this time. I'm telling you, 3 people. I'm going to select these people right now. एक second. I have my friend standing right here. भाई पानी वानी पी ले. दुबे. Good. ठीक है ना? All right. Good. I'm going to need 3 people, guys. Yeah, somebody from there. Come quickly. यार मार पिटाई मत करो. आराम से आओ ना. Come. कौन आया? I need 3 people. You're here? Come stand here. You watch movies? Movies देखते हैं आप? कौन सी? English? Hindi only. Okay, good. It's okay. Sir, please come. No, come quickly. Yes. One more. Somebody from here. Stop. Let me see, guys. Madam, yes, please come. Next time, okay, you can stand. You can sit somewhere here. I'll call you the next time for sure. Give her some applause here. Come on, guys. Encouragement. What is your name, sir?
Alap.
कौन सी क्लास में आप?
5th.
Keep this. 5th में, okay. And sir, your name is?
अभय.
अभय, okay. अभय क्या करते हैं आप? दैनिक भास्कर में काम करते हैं, ठीक है, तो अच्छा छापना पड़ा मेरे लिए कल, ठीक है भाई, ओके. हेलो मैम, हाउ आर यू? अभिषेक. गीता, हाय, प्लीज कम. एंड मैम, व्हाट यू डू? व्हाट इज इट दैट यू डू? क्या करते हैं आप? Perfect, brilliant, okay. Do you watch movies? Yeah. You like famous people? Okay, good. This is difficult for me, all right. Let me tell you what I'm going to do. I have a list. I'll show you what I mean, okay? I have a list of a few things. And where's the list? This is a list of famous people, guys, okay? It's like I have a whole lot of famous people's name written in it. Come here. Even you watch this. Okay, so, पहला नाम क्या लिखा है मैंने इसमें? Can you read this? Sachin Tendulkar, right? Right? Okay, and then Abdul Kalam, Saurav Ganguly. Can you guys see this? मैं ज़्यादा fast हूँ तो बताना भाई, I'll go slow because I want everyone to watch. Rahul Dravid, Kamal Hassan. So I have like international and national superstars' name written inside it. Ajit is a superstar from South. Do you know this name?
Ronaldo.
Do you know this? ठीक है.
Messi.
Do you know this? अरे बच्चे से पूछ रहा हूँ ना यार, जा. Dhoni, you know this, right? Ma'am, you know this? ठीक है? Nayantara. Can you read this word? Yes, good. Okay, that's fine. Can you read this? No, ma'am. Let him do it. क्या लिखा भाई? ठीक है, good. ठीक है. मतलब you can read it, right? Now here's the thing. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. Stand right here. Madam, stand right here in the middle. Yeah. You stand right here, बेटा, यहाँ पे. Sir, you come here. आगे. ध्यान से मेरी बात सुनना. You have to follow what I do, okay? So hold out your left hand first of all. Hold out your left hand. मैं यहाँ पर रखता हूँ इसको. Come here. In a moment, what he's going to do, मैं क्या चाहता हूँ कि आप ऐसे हाथ रखें और कहीं से भी इसको लिफ्ट करें. So don't riffle कि यहाँ पे जा रहा हूँ मैं. Just जहाँ पे भी आया, just lift. And look at the word जो लिखा है और इसको बंद कर दीजिए. Just read the word अच्छे से एकदम आराम से 2-4 सेकंड लेके. And make sure nobody sees, okay? So lift. देखो आराम से पढ़ो. पढ़ लिया एक नाम, बंद कर दो. Can you read this? Do you know this person? Can you keep it in your head? Perfect. Stay there. I'm the same thing, okay? Hold out your hand. Don't watch. Nobody watches, please, okay? So don't riffle through, ma'am. Just, yeah, you get it. You got it, right? I'm gonna step back. Yep. Read aram se. Don't watch. Read aram se. Close. You have the name in your head. Just keep it there, okay? Good. Okay. Do this. Left निकाल बेटा. ठीक है? ऐसे नहीं करना. बस कहीं पे बीच में जाके ऐसे उठा लेना. पीछे कोई देखे नहीं. चुप के. It's your word. पढ़ लो आराम से. बंद कर दो. It's okay. कोई नाम आया? एक नाम आ गया? पक्का? So like 3 people. एक नाम आया आपके दिमाग में? आप जानते हो इसको? हाँ या ना? इस बंदे को नहीं जानते हो, लेकिन नाम एक है. कोई नहीं. Now do you know this person? That's okay. You know what? I think you should take your seat. Go back to your seat. Quickly. Yeah. Go. Give me the mic. Ma'am, please go back to your seat. And you sir, go back to your seat. Quickly. Don't tell your words to anyone for now. अभी किसी को बताना मत आप लोग, ठीक है? Go back to your seats. This is going to be fun, guys. And just keep standing so that I can see you. Where are you, sir? You're here. You're there, right? Keep standing. एक बार हाथ उठाना. Good, okay. I'll let Geeta ma'am reach a spot. So guys, what has happened is, I had a list of more than 120 people. Okay? We have made 3 random selections. Okay? Now because ये 120 नाम जो है that I know and I follow these people very very closely, so I can actually see you and I can make out this wrong word, but yes, I can actually find out the name of the person that you're thinking of. Now, please stand up, if you would. I'm so sorry, but yeah, please. मैं क्या करने वाला हूँ? I'm going to read all three minds at the same time. ठीक है? You don't have a chair, right? Do you have a chair? Chair यहाँ पे लेके आओ, आगे. आगे खड़े हो जाओ इसके. Just keep standing, okay. आपके पास chair है? Good, okay. I'll read three minds at the same time. There's ma'am, there is sir, there is sir. अगर आपने वो नाम सुना, if I was able to name the, it could be, if I was able to get the name right, you all have to sit. If आपका नाम आ गया, आप बैठ जाओ. अगर आपका नाम आ गया, आप बैठ जाओ. Because you guys know your names, right? So simply, I'm going to read your minds, name three names. If it hits well, just sit down. Okay? Easy to follow? I'll try to read your minds. I'll say three names. If you hear your person's name, just sit down. Good? ठीक है? Good. I'll start with you. All right. Let's start with you. This is difficult, right? Just give me yes or no. If it's बताना मत यार क्या नाम है. If I get it wrong, just keep it with you. I'll try again, okay? Sania Mirza, Kapil Dev, Shah Rukh Khan. No. All right, 3 mistakes. Let's try it one final time, okay? I'll get this right. I think it's going to do the trick. Salman, Alia, Brad Pitt. 1, 2. Sit down then. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Wow, lovely. Thank you so much. Wow. Thank you. Now you can stand. There's one more thing I want you to do, and I need to call upon someone on the stage. No kids. Oh God. यार मैं क्या करूं बताओ? You've been struggling. Yeah, please come. No. Yeah, okay, you come. अब यार, give him a big round of applause, guys. Come on. Wow, what is your name, sir? Abhinav. Hi, Abhishek. Hi, you good with numbers? Mathematics? Good? क्या CEO क्या करते हो? नहीं. What do you do? Sorry?
License manager.
Licensing manager. Okay, good. Abhay. Abhinav. Acha, Abhay to he's gone. Licensing manager is what you said. You must be very good with lying also then. Yeah. I know you are. आप पे तो मैं risk भी नहीं लूँगा अब. I want you to think of a number. How old are you, by the way?
34.
34. All right. And Abhinav, I think you're going to go till 97. 97, 98. Okay.
Yeah.
And then you'll die. 97 is good enough.
Thanks.
Yeah? सड़ के मरो. ठीक है. Abhinav, here. Here's the thing. I want you to go ahead and think of a number in your head. Don't tell it to me. In your head. Any number between 34, you are, right? 34 and 97. No, not in the mind. It's in your head. You have a number in your head? Are you sure? Here's the thing. No, just wait there for a second. Alright, Abhinav, I am going to move this for a second, okay? Because I don't want anybody to watch. By the way, guys, what I have is this. It's blank as of now. He's thinking of a number. I'll try to find his number and write it down here, alright? Sir, let me keep it here for a second, okay? Abhinav, let's do this. You're good with lying, and I have a very strange feeling that you might just lie right now. I know you won't, but still. Okay, let's do this, Abhinav. I'm going to give you a piece of paper. You have a number in your head? Right, okay. Just write it down. Nice and clear because we'll have to show it to them at the end. Not now. Don't look, sir, okay? The number is going to be secret. Come here. Hold this. I'll give you a pen. It's okay. Give you a pen. Nice and clear, write it down. Don't show it to anyone. Nice and clear. It's a big number. You'll see what is going to happen right now. You have the number? Done? Give me the pen. You fold it like it's first folded. Right? Tear it out. Tear the paper out. Okay, I'll take this. No, you keep it. Squeeze it, if you would. And just throw it away. Just keep it inside your pocket, okay? Stand right there, Abhinav. I'm going to try something really cool. Give me some good music, yeah? Wait. Abhinav is very difficult, so let me do this. Abhinav, look at me. Just stay there. डराओ मत आराम से इसकी Abhinav, you know what, मैं ना यहाँ पे एक नंबर नहीं है. I'm going to write down a few numbers. I'm going to write down 16 numbers. All right, just stay there for now. Stay there for now. Abhinav, you're really difficult here. Look at me one more time. Just one more time, quickly. मेरी आँखों में देखो मेरे भाई. भाई बोलना जरूरी है. माहौल गर्म है. Good. Wait. I think I have something. Let's see. La. Express D. Give me 1 quick second, brother. Hey, I'm not losing you. Don't let me lose you guys. Let's see this. Yeah, I might just be wrong, brother, but give me one last second, okay? I think I'm almost done here. Abhinav, come here. Just give me yes or no. Do you see your number here? Come, quickly, come. Sir, come, quickly. Show it to everyone. Abhinav, just give me yes or no. Do you... Just let me get rid of everything. You might want to come this way. Do you see your number here? Yes or no? Guys, can you see all the numbers written? Okay. Yes or no, Abhinav? झूठ नहीं. अरे ऐसे झूठ मत बोल यार. सच में 16 नंबर लिख दिया भाई अब तो. नहीं है, it's not. It's okay. You know what? Let me show you what it is. अगर मैं इसको ऐसे कर दूँ Abhinav, then you will find something here. Like 1, and this will go like so. This will be here. Sorry for my bad handwriting, guys. You'll have to excuse me for it, okay? So I have 4 blocks. Abhinav, what was your number, by the way? Yeah, please tell to everyone. Do you have the mic?
Yeah. 65.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Guys, you thought, I have made a mistake here, correct? But I'll tell you how smart I am. So I was able to read his mind, find out the number, and arrange it in a very interesting way. I'll show you how. Yeah, did you get it? See, 8 plus 11 is how much? 19 plus 1 is how much?
20.
And plus 45 is?
65.
65, brilliant, okay,
Awesome.
nice. Yeah, thank you, whoa! Alright, it's okay. Let's do this, let's count this. Second row, 44 plus 2 is?
46.
46 plus 7 plus 12 is?
65.
Brilliant, wow, I'm good, alright. 3 plus 47 is?
50.
50 plus 9 is 59, plus
59.
6 is 65.
65.
10 plus 5 is 15, plus 4 is 19, plus
19.
46 is?
65.
Brilliant, guys, come on, I deserve something. Yeah, thank you. 65, alright. So, let's try it this way now, this way. 8 plus 44 is how much? 52 plus 3 is 55, plus 10 is how much?
65. 65.
Guys, come on, 65. Okay, 11 plus 2 is 13.
13
Plus 5 is
13 plus 5, 18.
18 plus 47 is
65.
Okay, 45 plus 7 plus 9 plus 4 is 65.
65.
1 plus 12 plus 6 plus 46 is 65. Guys, we have 65 all over. Wow, no, let's make it. Thank you. Let's make it interesting. Let's go diagonally. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 9 is 19. 19 plus 46 is 65. 1 plus 7 is 8. Plus 47 plus 10 is 65. Let's count these. Let's count any four corners. 8 plus 11 plus 2 plus 44 is 65. 3, 47, 5, 10 is 65. This is 65. This is 65. This is 65. Any four combination, guys. Everything is a 65. Thank you.
मैं इनको जब हक किया तो मैंने इनसे कहा इनके कानों में कि शायद आपको टच करने शायद थोड़ा मेरे अंदर जाए तो वंस मोर
टच करने की चाहत हो रही है भाई, आ जाओ Okay, all right. Thank you so much. Give this guy a big round of applause, yeah. Come on, thank you so much for participating. Thank you. Please take a seat, sir. Thank you. Boom, boom, boom. Don't stop, don't stop. Give it up. Show some love, show some love, show some love. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. All right. Guys, I'm running short on time. So, let's do one last thing really quick, okay? One last thing really quick. घर पे कौन बता के आया है? I'm looking for somebody जो घर पे बता के आया हो कि he's watching a show today. ये बता के आया क्या? ये आजा. किसको बता के आया भाई? मम्मी को बता के आया हो. और किसको बता के आया हो? बस मम्मी, ठीक है, आ जाओ. Yes? Why do you stop, guys? Why do you stop? You stop, I stop. Don't stop. Hello, sir. What's your name? Sorry? Shantanu, my name is Abhishek, okay? और आप अपने घर पे बता के आओ शांतनु, okay? शांतनु, मम्मी को फोन करना है अभी. कर देंगे? नहीं, एक काम करना है, पहले तो चुपके से बात कर लो, फिर कॉल हो गया? ओह, फक नहीं बोलना है, पागल! तेरे वजह से मैंने बोल दिया आप. It's okay. Yeah, just tell her that you're watching the show and you're watching Abhishek Acharya. He's amazing. Just tell her. You'll बोल दे.
And वो अभी amazing चीजें कर रहे हैं.
आपसे बात
He's a very good. And वो आपसे बात करना चाह रहे हैं.
सुन तो लो, डर ना गई हो कहीं.
तो स्पीकर में
उनको बताओ कि I'm putting you on speaker, mom.
अच्छा, हाँ, मैं अभी आपको स्पीकर में रख रहा हूँ, तो प्लीज डांटना मत. रख रहा हूँ. 3, 2, 1.
Hello?
Yeah. Hello.
Is it speaker?
हेलो,
आंटी कैसी हैं आप?
बहुत अच्छी है. आप कैसे हैं?
मैं बहुत अच्छा हूँ आंटी. आंटी, हम लोग यहाँ पे एक शो कर रहे हैं, थोड़ा सा है ना, माइंड रीडिंग टाइप का शो है. शांतनु आया हुआ है.
जी.
और मैं चाह रहा था आंटी आपकी थोड़ी हेल्प लेना.
हाँ, बताइए.
ठीक है. पहले तो आंटी यहाँ से सब लोग आपको एक बड़ा जोरदार हाय बोलने वाले हैं. आवाज आई आपको?
हाँ, ओके.
हाय आवाज. हाय आवाज. सॉरी.
बताइए.
शांतनु, you have to ask her a question. ठीक है. ओके आंटी, अब अगली आवाज आप सुनेंगी. शांतनु, you have to ask her कि मॉम, अगर आप दुनिया में कहीं भी एक ड्रीम डेट पे जाना चाहें, तो मतलब आपके लिए ऑब्वियसली अपने लिए कह देंगी, कहाँ पे जाना चाहेंगी? एनी प्लेस दैट शी वांट्स.
मम्मी,
आप बस उनको बोलना, सोचने के लिए, बताने के लिए नहीं.
अपने दिमाग में एक जगह सोचो, बताना मत. एंड जहाँ भी आप जाना चाहती हो,
दुनिया में कोई भी जगह
और अपने दिमाग में रखो उस चीज को.
This is what I think she would say.
ठीक है, दिमाग में रखना.
सोच लिया?
जहाँ भी जाना चाहती हो. ओके, अब जगह बताना. 3, 2, 1, गो.
हैं? That is correct. Yes, it's correct. That is correct.
Okay, that's right.
अरे बोल रहा.
That's right.
Singapore! Oh, Singapore. That is brilliant. Okay, wow, fantastic. आंटी बहुत अच्छा कर रही हैं आप. That is fantastic. मैं exactly यही चाहता था आप सोचे. Singapore. Brilliant. Okay, wow. ठीक है आंटी. अब ऐसे करते हैं ना, आप वहाँ पे अगर जाना चाहेंगे तो किस फिल्म स्टार के साथ जाना चाहेंगे? आपको ये सोचना है. बताना नहीं है.
दिमाग में सोचना.
Any film star.
वहाँ पे किस फिल्म स्टार के साथ जाना चाहती हो? कोई भी पुराना नया, लेकिन दिमाग में रखना उसको.
I don't know if he watches English movies, but Mel Gibson, I don't know. Ask her. किसके साथ?
वो फिल्म स्टार का नाम बताओ।
अनिल कपूर।
ये अनिल कपूर, बिल्कुल सही जवाब आंटी, बिल्कुल सही जवाब, फैंटास्टिक, मैं यही सुनना चाह रहा था आपसे। ओके अनिल कपूर, हट जाओ, मरने दे मेरे को। चलो जल्दी हट जाओ यार तुम भी। आंटी एक आखिरी सवाल आपके लिए, लाइक द लास्ट क्वेश्चन।
द लास्ट क्वेश्चन।
लास्ट क्वेश्चन इसका, आप कितना खर्च करना चाहेंगे, मतलब कितने पैसे लेके जाएंगे, कितने पैसे हैं?
ओके आप मम्मी वहाँ पे जब जाओगी तो कितने पैसे लेकर जाना चाहिए?
बताना मत,
अभी मत बताना, अपने दिमाग में रखना।
बता के भी फायदा है नहीं, ऐसा आपने देख लिया।
अब वो अमाउंट बताओ। 1 लाख।
1 लाख? 1 लाख? That is correct, auntie. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for participating, auntie. Everybody say a big, big bye to her. Shout! Wow, thank you, auntie. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. चुल्लू भर पानी किस तरफ है बता दो आपको। साले मालूम ना तेरे को बॉटल में। Alright, that was fantastic. I think we should give it up for Shantanu as well. He's done a great job. Thank you so much, Shantanu. No, don't go, brother. Don't go, Shantanu. अरे वापस आ भाई, दोस्त, मित्र, यार, बंधु, प्रेमी नहीं बोलूँगा। आओ इधर। मम्मी को फोन किया था भाई आपने। I think if he would have called somebody else, I would have been close. Like close, थोड़ा तो close होता। मेल गिब्सन, अनिल कपूर, बाल की दुकान तो दोनों ही है यार, देखो। It's okay. So she, no, let's see again. I said that she would think of Japan. Japan is in Asia, but she said that is in Asia as well. थोड़ा तो close है. Something worked. कुछ नहीं से कुछ अच्छा, कोई बात नहीं। Second thing that she said, क्या बोला था यार? अनिल कपूर के साथ जाना चाह रहे हैं। I'll keep it here for now, okay guys? अनिल कपूर नहीं निकलेगा, don't worry. Anil Kapoor, good. And she also said, तुम्हारा mic कहाँ है यार? Where's the mic? She said कि the amount that she would want to spend would be how much?
1 lakh.
1 lakh rupees, right?
Yeah.
Okay. दुनिया में कितनी जगह हैं? Like millions of places, right? She could have gone anywhere.
Yeah.
But she chose Singapore. Any specific reason? What do you think?
Sorry?
Any specific reason उन्होंने सिंगापुर बोला होगा? पहले गए आप लोग सिंगापुर कभी? Has she gone to Singapore?
No.
No? Why?
Time.
Look at me for a second. You will pay for it. Singapore, right? Okay. Then I asked her something else. What did I ask her? I asked, किसके साथ जाना चाहते हैं? She said,
Anil Kapoor.
Anil Kapoor. Do you know why? Any specific reason? Maybe it's her favorite actor, whatever it could be anything, right? She could have thought of anyone, right, guys? Like there are millions and millions of options. She could have thought of anyone. Then I asked her, how much money did she want to spend? Yeah, take whatever it is. And she said, how much?
Lakh.
And what did I predict? How much is 12 million, by the way, guys? 1 crore 20 lakhs, I guess, right? Okay. Shantanu, please take your seat. Thank you. आ गया sir. खराब करा दिया सारा show. But guys, there's more to it. I told you, this is the box from the future. Is there a lock onto it? There is like no lock, right? But if you open it, there's something. Shantanu, कहाँ हो तुम मेरे भाई? Come back, quickly, come. Can you take this away, sir? Please take it away. I told you it's the box from the future, and it has what? It has something that will change your reality. Shantanu, quickly! I don't have time. जूते उतारो, Shantanu, जूते उतारो, फटाफट. जूते उतारो. Quickly, yes. The moment of truth, guys. Stand. Stand, guys. Stand. अरे चढ़ जा यार भाई. That was my dream date, guys. Okay, hold it from here. Left. एक हाथ से, इस हाथ से. जैसे एक शॉप, सर. So, ऊपर, सर के पास, सर के सामने. Good. अरे रुक जा. So that was the dream date, okay? So my dream date is only possible in Singapore. And then with Anil Kapoor ऊपर. Spending 1 lakh. Thank you. Thank you very much, Michael. I love you so much. Thank you for the love. No, wait. No, sit. Guys, sit down. Go. Up. I said, random is never so random. Even though things don't happen, they actually are happening somewhere at some point in time ever. Hold it. Up. You remember the first crush? I knew that the name of the first crush of Nischal, the word selected will be weightlifter. Thank you. 3 famous people thought of would be Salman, Alia and Brad Pitt. The number chosen will be 65. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you. I love you so much, guys. Thank you. Give it up. Show some love. Thank you. Have a good night. Thank you very much, guys. I love you.